Big news coming in. The Indian Olympic Association IOA formally approving the country's bid to host the 2030 Commonwealth Games. During the special general meeting that has happened, so the IOA has formally approved the country's bid. This is the Indian Olympic Association to host the 2030 Commonwealth Games. There was a special meeting that was organized as well, so that is what has happened. We are aiming, remember, for Commonwealth, of course, which we have hosted earlier as well, but Olympics possibly in the near future too. But it would be interesting. It would be important to see how this progresses, because the Indian Olympic Association going ahead to show and showcase and believe that we can host the 2030 Commonwealth Games, and which would be in the next 5 years, but also then go ahead to host the bigger tournament. So it's India's bid for CWG 2030 that is coming in. We'll try and get you more details on what this means, and especially all eyes will be, there's one city that we are aiming for here. Are we aiming for one city, multiple cities? What will happen there? Because let's also be real, the last time Commonwealth Games happened, it was this huge tournament that we had looked at and praised, but also there were a lot of charges of malpractice, corruption that had come in here. My colleague Nitin Srivastav joining me for the latest on that. Nitin, I'm curious to know, how is the procedure going to go ahead, one? And two, are we looking at a city or a state specific that is likely to be hosting the CWG?
Well, the first and foremost thing that India is now going to host Commonwealth Games again, in today's AGM, which was organized by Indian Olympic Association, they have approved it formally that India is ready to host once again the prestigious Commonwealth Games in the year of 2030.